The amount of taxes paid by rich people in the UK has been revealed, and the answer is going to blow your mind. 60 people paid more than 3 billion in taxes, and each of them earned more than 50 million a year. I work in tax and have been fortunate enough to work with wealthy families over the years. So the answer kind of doesn't really surprise me anymore because I've seen how much taxes people pay. But let me tell you how wrong I was about 10, 15 years ago when I thought rich people don't pay taxes and that's kind of how they get rich. It is true to some extent that there are legal ways to reduce taxes, but even after the reduction, high earners pay 30% of all income tax collected. And it's a huge number, major contribution to UK public services and the infrastructure. Our UK Chancellor is currently going through a tricky situation. She wants to increase taxes on wealthy people, but this could backfire. Wealthy people who are already in the UK could leave the country and pay their taxes somewhere else. At the same time, non domicile numbers are up. Wealthy families from overseas are still, despite all the challenges, all the bad press, are still choosing to come and live in the UK and they're willing to pay extra in taxes. So the UK is still a very attractive place for wealthy families. There are some suggestions to stop people who are already in the country to be able to leave the country or make it difficult for them if they are considering such a decision. The UK Chancellor could introduce what's called an exit tax, which means that a new type of tax can be payable if you divert your assets, including unrealized gains, to a different country. The other suggestion, so nothing is set in stone, by the way, in terms of the exit tax, and we'll see what the government kind of decides to do on it, but it's just one of the suggestions. The other suggestion is to introduce a points based system instead of the current non domicile system, and a system that is capable of attracting talented people and investments into the country. You don't want to close your doors and make it difficult for people and capital that can contribute to the economy. Because if the economy grows, living standards will rise, more investment can go into the infrastructure, and that's going to solve a lot of complaints and problems that we currently have in the country. The budget announcement is at the end of this month. So if you'd like to stay connected, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.